Welcome to Gloucester Courthouse in the historic Court Circle. My name is Robert Kelly and I'm the museum's coordinator at the Gloucester Museum of History, which is just next door. I want to take a few minutes to share a relatively new tour product that we have here in Gloucester, and that is the Historic Court Circle Walking Tour. This is a pamphlet which you can pick up at the museum or visitor center, and it highlights the 15 or so historic buildings that are right close by the Court Circle. Obviously the 1770 museum building, the old tavern, is on the tour. This gorgeous building behind me, the 1766 Gloucester Courthouse, is one of the stops on that tour. The old county jail, some of the clerk's offices, some of the historic homes. There's a lot of little stories within the walking tour that we try to bring out. One thing that I actually learned while putting it together was African-American businesses and homes were once located right behind the courthouse on what's known as Lemon Lane. One of the stops is the Lemon House, and it was actually built by the Lemon family, who was a prominent African-American family, and they own several businesses right here on Main Street. So that's one example of kind of a story that may not be very well known that we want to get out into the public. So it's a lot of fun to do, and it kind of gets you out moving around in the community. Main Street's just a wonderful place to visit, and there's so much history here that you'll discover. The walking tour is of course free. It takes about 30 minutes, and I think it'll really kind of open up your eyes to some of the additional stories that are available to you all right here on Main Street.